So you're in job hunting mode, you're sending out resumes, you're getting invited for job interviews, you want to put your best foot forward. If you're that aspiring job hunter, here are 3 tips. Tip number 1, invest to impress. It's scientifically proven that we buy items in the grocery based on great packaging. And the same thing happens as well when you're dressing up yourself for job interviews. I highly recommend to use blue and black because these are colors that exude confidence and the power of leadership. The best thing about this practical tip is that blue and black are discrete colors. So even if you keep on repeating to wear them for all of your job interviews, no one will notice. Tip number 2, plot a deliberate career roadmap for the next 3 to 5 years. The most frequently asked questions during job interviews involve those such as, why are you quitting this job? What's your plan in the next 3 to 5 years? And why are you looking for greener pastures? And most of the time, the reason why people have a hard time answering this question is because they don't have a plan. They simply want to quit because they want to look for something new. When you get to prepare for these questions, you become more sincere and authentic, and you become deliberate in front of the interviewer that you do have a plan. And that's what interviewers are looking for with candidates. Finally, tip number 3, manage your social media image. In today's digital times, HR recruiters and managers investigate by looking at your social media profile to see if you're worthy of being interviewed for a job. If this is the case, try to look if you have incriminating photos, videos, and captions that might influence your eligibility for those jobs. 2 tips. Number 1, keep your social media accounts private. Or number 2, do something about those posts and make sure they are kept from the public eye. I wish you the best and good luck. My third book, Single, Taken, or Building My Empire, is now available in all leading bookstores in Asia. For more information, log on to jonathanyabut.com.